Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restore factory settings and remove all apps and files from your LENOVO AIO. And to do this you will need to click on the start right here, then open the settings, find Windows and Security, select recovery and here reset this PC. So keep in mind that it will remove all of your personal files and with this specific method, because there's also another way which I'm going to show you real quick. Now click on get started. Here you can choose to keep your files. It will remove all apps and settings but keep your personal files. But we're going with a second option, which is removes all your personal files, apps and settings. Select that one. Now, how would you like to reinstall your Windows using cloud download or local reinstall? I would recommend to go with local reinstall, and that's what I'm going to choose. Additional settings. Current settings remove apps and files. Do not clean the drive. Reinstall Windows from this device. Let's continue. Now make sure to not touch anything. It needs to be connected to the power all the time during this process. So click on reset when you're ready and it will begin. And it will take about an hour or even half an hour or even hour to make that process. After that process is finished, you'll be able to begin the setup, and first thing is to choose the language. But I'm gonna cover it in our other video and with LENOVO AIO first setup, so if you're interested, go check it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.